Maximize your network setup with the Dynamode CABSHELF-EL450 vented wall cabinet shelf. Upgrade your data cabinet with the Dynamode CABSHELF-EL450, a durable and space-saving vented shelf designed for optimal airflow and performance. This sturdy fixed shelf mounts effortlessly onto the front pillars of your 280mm EcoNet cab wall range, making it an essential addition for organizing lightweight networking equipment like modems, routers, and desktop switches. Enhanced airflow. The vented design prevents overheating, keeping your devices cool and running efficiently. Sturdy and reliable, built to securely hold lightweight equipment, ensuring stability and longevity. Easy installation, designed to fit seamlessly into your server rack or data cabinet without hassle. Sleek and professional, the black finish complements any cabinet setup for a clean, modern look. Perfect for home offices, small businesses, or IT setups, this LMS data shelf provides the ideal solution for efficient and organized equipment management. Upgrade your network cabinet today. Order now. Link in description.
Upgrade your server rack with the ultimate 2U vented rack mount shelf. Looking for the perfect storage solution for your server rack? The Universal 19's 2U vented rack mount shelf is your go-to choice for organizing and securing IT, networking, audio, video, and non-rack mount equipment with ease. Why choose this 2U vented rack shelf? 1. Universal fit and versatile storage designed to fit any 19-inch server rack. This shelf supports an internal depth of 16 inches 41 cm, making it ideal for modems, routers, AV gear, and mission-critical hardware. 2. Superior ventilation for maximum performance. The vented cantilever shelf promotes consistent airflow, reducing heat buildup and prolonging the life of your equipment, essential for high-performance setups. 3. Heavy-duty steel construction, built from SPCC commercial-grade cold-rolled steel. This shelf can support up to 50 falsalves, 23 kilos, ensuring rock-solid durability for both professional and industrial environments. 4. Easy front mount installation. Compatible with any 19-inch cabinet or rack, installation is a breeze. Get organized in minutes. 5. Trusted industry-leading support, TAA compliant and backed by a lifetime warranty, plus free lifetime 24/5 technical assistance, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Perfect for data centers, home studios, offices, and industrial setups. This 2U vented shelf is a must-have for keeping your gear cool, organized, and accessible. Upgrade your server rack today. Order now and experience the difference. Link in the description.
Maximize your space with the ultimate 6U wall mount rack. Looking for a space-saving, heavy-duty storage solution for your network and IT equipment? The 6U wall mount rack is your go-to choice for keeping patch panels, switches, and other 19-inch slim equipment secure, accessible, and organized, all while saving valuable floor space. Why choose this 6U wall mount rack? Space-saving, open-frame design, mount your IT and network equipment directly to the wall, freeing up desk or floor space while ensuring easy access to your devices. Built for strength and durability, crafted from cold-rolled steel, this rugged and reliable rack supports up to 19.9 kV, 44.2 kV, making it perfect for patch panels, routers, and other essential networking gear. Quick and easy installation, ships fully assembled and includes M6 screws and cage nuts so you can get your rack set up fast, no extra hardware needed. Optimized equipment. Accessibility. With a 35 cm 13.78 in max mounting depth, this rack is designed for efficiency and organization, ensuring your equipment is secure yet always within reach. Trusted by IT professionals, backed by a lifetime warranty and free 24/5 multilingual technical support, this rack is built for reliability and long-term performance. Perfect for home offices, server rooms, and IT professionals who need a dependable, space-efficient storage solution. Upgrade your setup today. Order now and take your network organization to the next level. Link in the description.